Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to teach you how to add My Class app onto your electronic device. The process looks a little bit different for Apple product and Android product. So in this particular video, I'm going to teach you about Apple product. And in the next video, I will teach you how to do that on an Android device. So I made this class app so that all the important information about my class this year is in one app. So for example, if you're wondering about homework, you can click the homework button. If you want to know about schedules, click the schedule button so that you don't have to go to a million different places to look for different informations. So hopefully this one app can make getting things a little bit easier for you this year. So now let's take a look at my phone. Okay, so first you are going to go to your email and find the link that I send you. Okay, so you're going to click on the link and see the copy link button. So you're going to copy link. Now the link is copied. Then you are going to go to Safari. It has to be Safari for some weird reason. Safari, I don't know why, but it has to be Safari. You're gonna paste the link right here and then click go. All right, so now you see that you can already sort of see that, but it is not that handy if you have to paste the link every single time. So now I'm going to teach you how to add that onto your home screen. So then you're gonna click, did you see the little arrow button? So click that. Okay, and then scroll down. You will see add to home screen. Okay, click that. And then you can rename it. So for example, I'm going to rename it Chen Laoshi's class app. And then click add. Boom. Now it is on your home screen. So click that. Ta-da! And so say that you would like to know how to contact me. So you click contact. And you will find my contact information. And say that, so if you click that little house button on the bottom right, you can go back to here and say that you want to know the apps we use for the classroom. Click apps. So see, these are all the apps we use in our classroom this year, and you can click each one of them to get the link to log into each one of them. I haven't added all the links yet, but I will finalize all of them in the next couple weeks. And just click the little house button again to go back to the home page. And yeah, feel free to add it and spend some time play around with it. This is obviously not a finished product yet, and I will finalize everything in the next couple weeks and see if you click home button. And now it is on your home screen, always. All right, that's the tutorial video.